Hey guys, this is Brian with B-Stride. I want to show you how to remove and replace your refrigerator's water inlet valve. Now the reason you may have to replace this is if you're not getting water up to your ice maker, or if you're getting a very low level up there, or to your water dispenser. Now first thing, you're going to want to unplug the fridge, turn the water off to the fridge, and now on mine you can see my super fancy cardboard backer here on the bottom. It's either going to be on the bottom right corner, you can see our dog in the background, or on the left. On this one, it's on the left. It just may differ depending on your model. Now we're gonna remove this little nut first here. I just had to loosen it up with this wrench, and then I could remove the rest with my hand. And I'm gonna move this little spare water rod out of the way. Now this one, you can just kind of pull the nut back, and you're gonna pull this water line off. Just have a towel underneath, just in case. I have this nut remover, and I'm gonna remove this retaining nut on the left-hand side. Put that away so I don't lose it. And then I'm going to remove this. That's going to make things a lot easier. So I'm just going to pull this outside of the fridge, and then you can see all the parts here. You see the electric connectors. First, we're going to remove the white one on the right-hand side. And just remember which way they go. There is a little part on the bottom that you can tell as well. And we remove the red one, and we can just go ahead and pull this out. Now to remove this, you're going to press down on this little white clip and pull the black side out. And we're going to do the same on the other side here. You just make sure you have your towel, because this one did have quite a bit of water in it. We're going to pull this side down, pull the little white circular clip, and then we're just going to pull this. It's not a white, actually, I guess it's clear. And this one had quite a little bit of water too. But this is the water inlet valve here. A lot of people will say you can clean it. Let me know in the comments if you've attempted to clean these before. A lot of times they just say to go ahead and get a new one, because if you clean them, you might have issues with water leaking. So say this is the new one here, you would just do everything in reverse. On the left side where the red is, you just make sure you want to push this in all the way until you can't anymore, and the white clip will pop out actually. And you're going to do the same with the white or the clear water line. You're just going to press that all the way in until the little white clip pops out a little bit. There we go. And now we're just going to reconnect the electric, red to the red, and then white to the blue, or white to the white on the bottom. So press that all the way in. And now we're gonna reconnect this water line, but we're gonna press it back in a little bit. And when you reconnect this water line, you press it down, and then you bring the nut around, and then just hand screw it in. And then to finish it off, we're gonna use the wrench to kind of just hand tighten it. You don't want it too tight, maybe just 1 or 2 turns past hand tightening it. Oh, and check out this light, guys. This is my O-Light clip light. I should have used this during this, but you can just magnetically place it there, and that really helps out. In the description, I will include a link to this O-Light clip light here, as well as the water inlet valve. Now we're just gonna replace the little brackets nut here and put that on in. As you notice in the video, I am encasing my O-Light clip light in there by accident, but you just replace the cardboard and you should be good to go. Things to look out for after you replace it: you should have more normal water coming to the ice maker and to the water, out the water dispenser as well. And make sure there's no leaks after you use it a few times underneath, and you should be good to go.